Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by collecting the essentials: leggings to enchant, a Swift Sneak book or anvil-ready items, and XP levels. Start now, place an anvil and check your XP bar. You need 3-5 levels for basic application, more if combining books. Once done, position the items so you can swap easily. If using villagers, make sure you have emeralds and check trades. Villager librarians often sell enchanted books. Make sure to remove conflicting gear, then move to the combination step immediately. You now apply Swift Sneak. If using an anvil, put leggings on the left and the Swift Sneak book on the right. Confirm the XP cost, then click to combine. If using an enchantment table, surround it with bookshelves and place leggings in the item slot. Swap until Swift Sneak appears. Once you have multiple lower-level books, combine them on the anvil to reach higher levels, making sure the prior work penalty and level cost remain acceptable. Remember to check for conflicting enchantments before finalizing. You finish by equipping the enchanted leggings and testing. Sneak while moving to verify the Swift Sneak bonus. Notice the silent, faster crouch. Once satisfied, repair with an anvil or combine another book to upgrade. Watch XP costs. If you encounter problems, check for conflicts like soul speed or curse of binding, and inspect the anvil's prior work penalty, which can block further combinations. If an enchantment doesn't apply, reset by disenchanting on a grindstone and start with a fresh book.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.